place to be. 600 doctors came from 23 nations, 120 experts in one constellation, 25 presidents in a hall of fame, every one of them a household name. Intelligence, innovation, integration is the theme we proclaim. The future of orthopaedics is why we came.
23 forums run from preservation to revision, from primary to complex to PJI with precision. The lynching pilot zone is where tomorrow's medicine lands. Special access puts the world's new cures in doctors' hands.
Our founding chairman Wang Yen took the keynote stage. Dr. Li Tao turned PJI's brand new page. Dr. Perkov lead the registry where numbers can surprise. Dr. Parvizi faced adversity and kept hope in his eyes. Dr. Joe short analysis makes every TKA succeed. Dr. Nico asked if robotics is ego or genuine need. From the podium to the OR, intelligence takes the lead. But Asia is more than listening. It's doing and trying and questioning. Workshops and sawbones fill your hands. You train with the best in the land. Regine Hainan hosted 6 live TKS. 6 different robots showed 6 different ways.
Mako's haptic arm stops on the pre-op plan. Kunwu goes all in one like no other robot can. T-Robot's optical eyes track every bone. Orthopaedics puts every pin right in the zone. Waves links imagine with robot and implant in one. Completes the 6 and stands second to none. Stem and Delta 1 rebuild the hip. Biolocks Delta stays smooth trip after trip.
VY Krill plus fights germs and closes the case. From the first cut to the last stitch, the future's in place. The Blind Sea Forum puts Regine's best on display. From valgus knees to PJI, the masters show the way. 6 top editors shared what's next with AI in view. Dare consensus made its world debut. But 6 big questions stay open with no answers in sight.
Robots are manual training.
Local antibiotics, cement,
Which side is right?
PS or CR,
Spinal pelvic.
dual mobility for all.
Pick your side.
And let the ballroom answer the call. The dream was built 13 years ago. The fellowship trains and best papers crown.
The rising stars who make it grow.
The torch leaves Thailand's land of smiles and lands in Xinjiang's heights with pride. And a new era starts side by side.
So raise a glass to every healing hand in this hall. The finest, hippest joint community of them all. 'Cause every joint we rescue helps the world walk again.
Thank you, every friend in the Asia family.